Coconut condensed milk, a real sweet treat, especially for those who have dietary restrictions. It is dairy-free and can be classified as vegan, but I don't have a dietary restriction and this is very delicious. This is my new favorite condensed milk. Let's make it. Into a pot I am adding a cup and a half of water and I'm also adding 2.5 cups of granulated sugar. Turn the stove on medium heat and you want to dissolve the sugar granules until it has become nice and clear, just like this. Once you have your simple syrup, you want to pour in 1 package 300 grams of coconut powder. You can use coconut milk in the can, but you have to be careful which brand you buy. Mix it in. Mix it in until the coconut powder have been soaked up and allow it to cook for 1 minute. Make sure that you are stirring this because it's going to boil over. Remove it from the stove and allow the foam to deflate. You want to use a stick blender or you want to pour this mixture in a blender and blend it until it's nice and smooth. And just an extra step, I simply pass this through a strainer. The filter is going to make the condensed milk smooth and flawless. Place it in the refrigerator to cool for a minimum of 1 hour, and then you want to place it in the refrigerator in an airtight bottle or an airtight container, and it's going to preserve because the simple syrup is a natural preservative. Thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, help me to grow my YouTube channel by telling a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.